Performing major construction seamlessly alongside residents is one of the most complex but rewarding experiences I get to have in the industry. What I really enjoy are the challenges of the unknown. Every project is unique. We always encounter things that didn't happen on the last project, they're not going to happen on the next project, and the problems need to be solved. And that keeps every day exciting. While on site, we focus on three main objectives. First and foremost, we ensure the safety of every resident as well as our team. Second, we ensure the quality and speed of our work is unparalleled through a combination of 3 decades of experience while consistently learning the latest advancements throughout our industry. Third, we commit to giving residents a seamless experience. Through pre-planning alongside the owner's rep, we avoid unnecessary disturbances and establish communication channels to manage expectations every step of the way. Our goal is to have 0 complaints, which are preventable and a waste of time for the board, property management team, and the residents.
My name is Glenn Smith. I work for a company called Residential Engineering and Design, and we are the architect and owner's representative for this project. This is the walkway replacement project at the Village at Black Rock in Bridgeport, Connecticut. The complex was built in 2007 and had a premature failure of the exterior walkways. They were built a little differently than anyone anticipated, and so when we opened them up, we realized there was going to be sort of a large-scale repair. And so we've replaced a lot of the structure and all of the railings, and then we'll be redoing the waterproofing later in the year.
One of the biggest challenges was to figure out how to get access to the clients' homes. We're redoing the front walkways, and we considered a multitude of options. This eventually evolved through challenges we encountered in other areas to where we are today of using the support system as the rail system. And that's what we ended up doing, and it really worked out well. It worked out well for the owner's rep, it worked out well for ourselves and the people who were living there. They had unrestricted access the entire time.
I think he's a bit of a thinking man's contractor, and he's the kind of guy that can usually get his head around things and get a plan in place that makes a project that's complex a little less complex. And that was certainly what he did in this case by trying to keep the interference with the unit owners to a minimum. On any construction project, you're really looking for someone who is responsible and can meet the requirements of the job in a professional and courteous way. You're also looking for someone who is attentive and is responsive to callbacks should something go wrong. And in my relationship over the time I've worked with DC Builds, they've been exactly that, which is why I continue to direct work their way, and I imagine that'll continue going forward.